Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to hide your Facebook friend list. So let's dive in. Now you go to your Facebook, open your Facebook, then you come to this your profile menu button here, click on it, then you click on your settings, you can see, and you scroll down here to see how people find and contact you, and this is it. You can send you your friend request, you can send. So yeah, I want to say you can see your friend list. You put it on public. So if you want to say only you, just click on only you, and automatically nobody will be able to fill your friend list. And if you want to make it only some of your friends, just click on this, and you can just go to click on those friends that you want them to see your list. You can see them here. Just click on done, and these are the only people that will see your friend list. If you want to see your friends, only your friends on your Facebook, you can see it's only your friends that you are friends with on Facebook that will be able to see your friend list. And if it is you want your specific friend, you can just pick some of them. And it's also you want public. So which one? The public is everybody will be able to see your friends list. And this is it. Who can send you friend request? You can see everyone. If you want to see friends on friends, just click on friends on friends. So nobody will be able to send you a friend request except that person is your a friend to a friend of you. You can see, just come back here and click on everyone can send you a friend request. So this is very easy. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.